Welcome to my vlog, everyone. And yeah, the first ever vlog. I'm so excited for this one. I'm so excited for this one. I will be sharing my whole experience, like visiting the place, how it has been, which I always wanted to. And right now it's just 4:30 in the morning and so dark. I can see that. I'm so excited. That's why I had to start it right now. So stay tuned. Check it out how my experience goes. We're in the camera ride.
The following day.
Okay, right now we are here in X Mall to pick some grubs on our way, and we'll see what we'll get here. Just check this place out. And yes, so it's kind of sunny, and then I will be adding this in my vlog.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. And from over here I can see the whole city. It's like one of the most beautiful mornings of my life till now, and I just woke up. We had a plan to see the sunrise, but then we f***ed up in that. Never mind. I'm excited for the day. Let's see how it's gonna go. Yesterday I couldn't record all, like how we checked in into the hotel and all those things, because we were so exhausted as we had traveled by road. And though we had a break in between in the middle, but then it was really exhausting. And we reached here like around 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. and then right after dinner we went to bed. Hit the hay, that's important, you know. Let's see how it's gonna go. I'm so excited. It's so fascinating to be in another city, and also this is Jagannath Mandir. It was so beautiful, the whole structure. It's full of rock, and then we had a wonderful experience. So right now we're in a hotel room, just relaxing after visiting the temple, Jagannath temple. It was so full of rush, too crowded, and the visit was wonderful. It's peace now. It's full of peace. Like everyone's relaxing in their own room. It's not that kind of thing. Just let me show around. It's just simple basic, which we just need the basic room. That's it. And right after lunch, which we have just ordered, we will be heading towards the beach. That's our main spot for today, and we will be spending our evening out there. So started vlogging now. Puri beach is kind of cleaner than Mandamini and Diga. Still it's crowded, and yes, it's kind of famous out here. Now we will be hopping all the stalls of seafood. I really want to have crabs and prawns, lobsters. Obviously, I used to see all kind of mukbangs in, you know, the YouTube video. So today I am thinking, let's try this out. So pretty, it's so beautiful. This is my first time ever in the beach area, and I'm so thankful for the I'm really thankful for the trip. Like, just look at this place. It's so amazing. I mean, in the lifetime we do need to enjoy nature, but then to enjoy waves and to be able to come out here and amidst the wave, it's very fascinating. It's really fascinating. Whew. I would love to come again.
Day 2.
So we are ready for the day 2, and today we will be going towards Bhubaneswar. So a driver heard about one of the water park which is quite famous and interesting. We are thinking to visit that place, but let's see, because we have to manage our time way back home as well. Therefore, we're thinking if we have got enough or ample of time while we are passing by the Bhubaneswar, we will be surely going to that place. Finger crossed what happens. So we just came out of the water park. This is Ocean Water Park in Bhubaneswar, just the outside of it. And now we will be heading towards our home. It's the end of the journey. It has been such a wonderful days, and yes, all full of water.